Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. In today's video, we're showing you how to make this delicious quesadillas. We call them pumpkindillas. Perfect for this spooky season. We're starting off by grating the cheese. Freshly grated cheese is better. Here I'm using sharp cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. The amount of cheese you want just depends on how many pumpkindillas you want to make. After you're done grating the mozzarella cheese and the cheddar cheese, just mix it all up. Now I'm going to transfer this cheese into a bowl while I get the tortillas ready. For each pumpkindilla, you're going to need 2 flour tortillas. You're going to stack them on top of each other to shape the pumpkin. I'm going to start off doing the stem. Try to be careful so you don't cut yourself. And there's the outline of my pumpkin. Separate your 2 tortillas. We're going to use one to make the pumpkin face. We're going to do the eyes. Just cut out 2 triangles. For the nose, a triangle in the middle. Pull off the little triangle. Now for the next eye. I'm just going to take out the remainder of the tortilla that stayed in there. A triangle for the nose. And now for its mouth. You can try to outline it first with a knife to see how it looks and then cut it off. Alright, I'm going to carefully remove it and leave a toothpick on it. You can make whatever face you want to make on the pumpkin. So now you have the front piece and the back piece. Ready for some cheese. Fill the back piece of your pumpkin with some cheese. I'm just gonna spread it all out evenly. Once you're done, add the face of the pumpkin on top. And this is our legs before cooking. We're going to bake this, so at the bottom we're going to add parchment paper. I just gotta make sure this parchment paper fits this plate. I'm gonna cut the paper and then add it back to the tray. Now grab your pumpkindilla and lay it on top. We're gonna cook this for 400 degrees for about 6 minutes. I'm gonna use my mini oven to bake this. And now we wait till the cheese melts. Ooh, I think it's ready already, and it's crunchy just how I like it. Perfect, now it's ready to eat. This pumpkindilla is cheesy just how I love it. I'm gonna cut it so I can dip it into my salsa. I'm gonna do it right in the middle. Now dip into my salsa de chile agua. And in it goes. Yummy, 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 delicious. I hope you guys try to make this pumpkindilla this Halloween season. It's perfect as a snack. Well, this is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and see you guys on the next one.